Hello everyone, we are here to present topic E-1705, track the time students spend on reviewing other submissions. The motivation behind this project is to understand the correlation between the time that students spend on reviewing other submissions and the knowledge that they gain in a particular assignment. Our job is now to find the times that are recorded for per link as well as per reviewee. We now have a look at how do we record the times per link. Here are the links which have been submitted by student 5930, and here we are logged in as student 5929 who is going to review that student's submission. So the start time gets recorded as soon as I click on a particular link. The end time gets recorded when we move away from this page. There are various ways in which a user can move away from this page. Some being when we refresh this page, when we click on save or submit review, when we close this window, or when we log out. One more point to note is that as soon as we clicked on the first link, there was a global timer which got initiated. For demonstration purposes, the global timer has a limit of 20 seconds. The use of this global timer is that suppose the user has clicked all the links but is also doing some other work. For example, he has opened the links and has gone to grab a burger, or he's gone out for some other thing. What if we don't want to record that extra time because that is not the time that he's spending on reviewing the links? Hence, we keep a timer which will pop up after every 20 seconds asking the user to confirm if he is still on the reviewing page. Now let's demonstrate how the times get recorded. Suppose if I click on this link, the start time gets recorded in the table which can be showed as follows. We can check in our database table. We can see that an entry has been created here with start time as this and end time is null. We go back to our Expertiza page. Due to inactivity on the page for more than 20 seconds, we see that this pop-up has come up which is asking us that if we are still reviewing the submissions or not. As soon as this pop-up comes in, we can check in our database table that the end time of the previous link gets recorded as the current time when the pop-up appears. This is to make sure that the review time for that particular link has been completed. Now I click on OK. If I click on OK and if I again click on any one of these links, a new entry in the database table with this particular session gets added again and the end time would get recorded as the previous procedure. I would just enter some dummy values in order to enter the review. And click on Submit Review. So we are now done with recording the submission links time wherein we were in the student's view. We now log in as the instructor to see how the review report summary has come out to be and to see whether our times have been recorded or not. We click on the assignments. Semester project was our assignment. The data which we collected will now be displayed in View Review Report. Here is the table that was there previously, and this is the new column which we have added which says time per review in minutes. So we had reviewed as student 5929. We have 3 rounds of review as I stated earlier. 2 rounds were already done. We were demonstrating for the 3rd round. These are the times in minutes which this user has spent on reviewing student 5930. In order to have a look at a detailed report, we click on this student. Here is a detailed report which can be seen. So, student 5929 reviewed for reviewee ID 25810 which indirectly maps to student 5930. This is the total time. This total time is summed over all the rounds, which were 3 rounds. Here we have the individual link times that have been recorded per round. We also have an alternate view to display, which comes in the form of a pie chart, which when hovered over particular sections show the individual link times. On hiding the details, this view can be hidden. Hence, in this way, we have successfully recorded the time spent by the reviewer, giving all the details regarding total time as well as individual links time. This project has been successfully tested using RSpec as well as manual testing. Thank you for your time.